The Australian cyclone season continues with Tropical Storm 27S, located at 16 degrees south, 105.1 degrees east. It is slowly strengthening, and that is expected to continue for right now. It is 12 a.m. in Jakarta, April 6th. It's got winds of 60 miles an hour, a pressure of 995 millibars, and is moving pretty slow at only 2 miles an hour to the east. There is no CDPS due to no landfall anticipated. Here is where it is located in relation to the Australian region in general. Wind field extending 70 miles to the northeast, 100 to the southeast, and a very small extent to the northwest with only 40 nautical miles from the center. It is 700 miles away from Exmouth, 733 from Coral Bay, 820 from Karratha, 1057 from Geraldton, and 1123 from Broome. In kilometers, that is 1127 from Exmouth, 1180 from Coral Bay, 1319 from Karratha, 17 Geraldton, and 1808 from Broome. It is expected to get closer to land, although its future is extremely uncertain due to the interaction it will probably be having with. Here's where we are in relation to other agencies. We have it at 60 miles an hour, although JTWC and RAM have it a little bit lower at 50 miles currently, although this may change in the coming hours when more updates are released. Here's the code made by our very own Thomas Schwendt. A very confusing storm indeed, with very little movement anticipated, with a possible looping back and whatever it's going to do the next few days before it begins to move towards the east and then southeast, where it could either get absorbed by Seroja or a very interesting interaction will happen that will cause it to remain alive. This is a very uncertain forecast, and things will most likely change in the coming days as we try to get a better grasp of this system. With future water interactions, it's always difficult, especially with conditions. Sea surface temperatures, it will be staying in conditions that are conducive for slow strengthening. Warmer waters are towards the east, where Seroja is currently, where it is 29 to 30 degrees Celsius there. Here it's only about 27, 28. Here are the intensity estimates. It is expected to remain pretty weak, although D-Ship does intensify this into a Category 1 cyclone. Deep layer shear, that is expected to increase before decreasing slightly and then skyrocketing towards the 9th and the 10th. Sea surface temperatures will be remaining pretty conducive. Mid-level humidity will have a slight decrease before slightly increasing, and of course the track is a giant wild card, with there being really no clear concise path for the system. Here's the satellite imagery of 27 as it is looking rather disorganized towards the northern side of the storm, where there is less convection flaring. Most of that convection is flaring to the south. You can see some dry air that is trying to entrain from the west, although it is going to be in wait and see to see if it actually doesn't make it there. Regardless of the future of this system, it will be having a very interesting interaction with Seroja, so it will be a close few days to watch, especially for those if you're in Western Australia.